Ba-da-ba-ba.
I feel like, you can always find a situation where the stiff.
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
$562 winners total. Brian 100 win. XGR Ian 3. Top winners, congratulations. Betting time. Elmo says we will visit Disneyland Paris. Oh, that is so cool, Elmo. That is so cool. Actually, Mary's been to Elmo to Disneyland. The fellow friend of mine. That's good luck. But she said if you want to visit both of the worlds, the Disney World and I guess forgot the other one. But yeah, basically if you want to visit both of them, 5 is crazy 10 Topslot, you need at least 2 days. So, wow, chat went by so quick. Yes, crazy time. Well, with a 5x Topslot, let's get crazy. Come on, woo! This is how we do it. 5x Topslot, baby. Come on, biggest win. Come on, we won it. Let's see it. Glorious. Decision time of day. Green, blue, or yellow. Make your choices now. Deep breaths. 500x max. Woo! Good luck. $75 green, $125 for blue and yellow. Enjoy, everybody. $6,476 winners total. Welcome back, everybody. Stay with 7,600 win. We got 75, 125, and 125 this time, everybody. Enjoy. And good luck, everybody. Well, 500x was so near. It was right there. So hopefully, you look like a sell. Oh, whoa. Well, never heard that explanation, Fluffy. 3,875 winners at 1-4 wins in a row. Betting times opening and last. Score flip was 2x. Last crazy count was 75, 125, 125x with a 5x Topslot on it. Okay, bets are closed now. Good luck. Last Pachinko was 35x though. 4x crazy now. Let's hit it again. Come on. Stop. Ah! Oh my goodness. Another Topslot on crazy time. Woohoo! Well, we're getting crazier and crazier. Let's go. Hello, my princes and princesses. 4x Topslot. Woo! All right, let's see it increase. Let's see it. Decision time. Green, blue, or yellow. Make your choices. $400x max. Good luck. $140 for green, $80 for blue, double yellow team. Come on, yellow flopper. Come on, show us what you got. Come on. 800x max. Good luck to you. Woo! 160x, people. Woo! Welcome back, people. 6,542 winners total. 8,500 win for Sag. 140x you had. Betting time. 140, 80, and 160x's with a 4x top solutions. Amy's real name is Emilinda. No. But you're close, actually. You're close, but that's not my name. Good luck. Da 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 da. The nice guy, I'm not gonna read that. I kind of think that you're trying to make me to tell something rude, sorry. 4 times Pachinko on a Topslot. Have a great one. Emilita. No. 4 times Pachinko. Another Topslot multiplier. This time, yeah, yet again. I already told you that comes from a Pachinko. Okay. Well, let's have some fun with this. Exciting. Hey, what is that going to be? 2x. Starting out with a 2x. So the smallest multiplier possible is going to be 8x. 10, 15, 20, 25, 40, 50 doubles. And look at that. 200x is going to be the highest multiplier out there. Oh boy. We have 4 triple-digit number opportunities, possibilities, and a double. I still hope we could maybe land on a double as well on the way. Anyways, 300x highest multiplier. Let's get it. Where it is going. Okay. Oh, 160x. That's a good one, guys. I don't know what to say. I'm just happy for you. 4,616 players won. Red Softener, 14,798 winning for you. You got it! Ah, let's go! Of course, I just... What? Anyways, we're closing the pal. Omi, tops 180 winning for the Softener. Good luck. I don't have money because of you. Always once. You don't have money not because of me. It's because of your decision to gamble and going for the segments which you have not cashed, which you have not guessed the right. Remember, it's your decision to gamble, and you always have to remember that there is a risk to win the money and lose the money. If you guess it right, you get your money back, and you get even more money back. 7 times Pachinko on a Topslot. If you don't guess it right, you pay about the round your own chosen sum, which you are ready to pay. And by the way, 7x Pachinko. Well, that is pretty cool. What can I say? Did you see this, guys? Did you see this? Oh, this is crazy. I mean, we already got a pretty nice Pachinko. 35x. And come on, pack. Okay. 2x. So the smallest multiplier on the wall is going to be 14x, which is pretty decent already. 20, 50, 100 and double. Oh my, 700x is going to be the highest multiplier out there. Oh, you see that? Oh my, I want to get a double though. Oh my goodness. Is this my chance to beat Tieva? Probably no, but still, you know, I'm gonna hope for the best. Eva, if you're watching, I'm trying. Good luck, everybody. If we're anyways gonna get something big, I'm already gonna be super happy. Oh, that was such a turn. I thought we're gonna, wow, 350x. Ah, 6,020. Oh my god, wow, what? Best magnet ever, right? We got it, congratulations. Oh my, I have no words to say for this. 350x, woo! That winning stats 7,933 winners total. Woo! And we got 4,400 for cast. As we dug over marbles and cheats happening as well. Comments over the bank time. Welcome everyone, because I sent you this emoji. There, I have that emoji myself. Thank you. No, Bobbitt, thank you. Good luck. Ba-da-ba-ba. 20x crazy time top slot. If you believe. If you believe. Ah! Woo! My. Oh my. Is this happening? Do you get goosebumps? I do. Let's go. Woohoo! Come on, babies! 20x crazy time top slot. Word. Mic drop. Let's see it. Wow. Decision. Oh, we have a triple. Oh boy. Green, blue, or yellow? I literally have goosebumps, everyone. Come on, now let's see. $4,000x max for the biggest win. Come on. Woo! Good luck. Ah! 2,000x green, 200 blue, 500 yellow. Woohoo! 8,578 total, 125,000 win for that guy. 2,000x babes, green flapper. Woo! Oh!
HSH, BVJ, Sami Nasikam, and Rashad as well. Top 5 as well done to you. Once again, keep in mind that the autoplay option as well is available. Basically, what it does is very simple. It just lets you to place the bets automatically. Pachinko with a 7x multiplier in the top slot. Let's keep going. Hold on. Come on, slow down. Don't you get there to go to 1. Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, look at this BT Pachinko with a 7x. Absolutely. That's amazing, ladies and gentlemen. Another big Topslot multiplier bonus round. Pachinko with a 7x. There you have it. Hallelujah to that. Come on, let's keep going. 7, 10, 15, 20, 35, 50. 3 doubles as well. And of course, 7x from the top slot. There we go. 350x is going to be the highest one. You know what I think? I think we should get a couple of doubles first. No, just to make the board even higher. Even higher multipliers collected, you guys. Let's see what we can get. Come on, buddy. Just a double. Or 105x, you know. Okay, you know what? I'll take the 105x. Congratulations to the winners. And once again, let's continue with the game. Feel free to place your bets for the next round. There we go. Feel free to place your bets. Not bad. I was hoping to be better though. But we have to look at the positive side of things. Katesh, you are gonna be the top one on that, so congratulations to you. And as always, let's see what we can do in this next round with you. Good luck. The flapper says Steph. To be honest, I don't really have a strong opinion which flap I prefer, like the least one or the stiffer one. I feel like, you can always find a situation where the stiff flapper would have been better and where the least flapper would have been better. Coin flip with a 20x multiplier in the top slot. You know, for example, when you're like, I don't know, wait, hold on. Come on. Yes. I mean, this is exactly the perfect example, you know. We got a coin flip with a 20x with a stiff flapper. But I mean, if it was least flapper, there was we would have never had this coin flip. You know what I mean? For every situation, you can find the perfect flap, I guess. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, there we go. Both sides of the coin. Let's put in on the red. And as always, let's hope for the best. Welcome to the coin flip with a 20x on a top shot, by the way. Ooh la la. Well, that is... Things are about to get spicy. I really hope so. I really hope so that they're going to get spicy. Anyways, let's give it a couple more seconds. Yeah, machine is not going to do it itself. Okay, let's give her a little bit of push. So, 100 and... Oh, wait, never mind. 200x multiplier right there. And 40x in a blow. Well, it's pretty obvious which one we want. Come on, red. Please. Please, red. Yes! Ladies and gentlemen, 200x on the red side right there. Congratulations. And... Okay, why is nothing happening? Hello? Alright guys, I apologize for this inconvenience. Don't worry. It's gonna be a 200x. It just didn't recognize. Don't worry guys, it's gonna be a 200x. Once again, guys, I apologize for this inconvenience. We will continue with the game as soon as possible. But yo, that's a 200x. What a BT, huh? I like it, Picasso. Once again, guys, this is going to be solved in just a matter of seconds, hopefully. Once again, thank you for your patience. Keep saying it should have been a TK. I wish, man. Imagine getting a coin flip with a TK. Ooh la la, that would have been spicy. And there we go, ladies and gentlemen. Well, 200x multiplier, congratulations. Let's continue with the game. There we go. Say told you, everything is fine, 200x multiplier. Sometimes it just doesn't recognize for some reason, you know. And bets are closed. Ba-da.